Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, dear participants, dear customers, transformer operators and transformer manufacturers. We are today here in front of our show transformer at Mesco MR in Oberursel, Germany, and we are blessed to have your attention for the upcoming minutes. Within this short session, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to talk about bushings for transformers, especially bushings up to a voltage class of 52 kV. So you probably know that with our Italian organization, CEDASPE, Reinhausen has a full group member integrated into the entire Reinhausen family since year 2016. So CEDASPE is manufacturing all kinds of transformer accessories, but for now we are focusing to talk about bushings. For that reason, we brought Tullio, one of our experts here, who is providing some more information about high voltage bushings manufactured by CEDASPE. Welcome, Tullio.
Thank you, Stefan.
So, Tullio, when talking about bushings, we firstly need to talk about application ranges. What are typical application ranges CEDASPE is specially manufacturing nowadays?
CEDASPE is manufacturing porcelain bushings up to maximum 52 kV rated voltage and 12.5 kiloamps rated current. We are also manufacturing what we call polymeric bushings up to 52 kV rated voltage and 4,500 ampere rated current.
Okay.
Typical application of this bushing is in the secondary side of small and medium power transformers.
Okay. Small and medium power transformers up to 52 kV, you said. So we see the porcelain bushings on the left-hand side, the polymeric bushing, the silicon shielded one here. What types do we see here specially?
This is a 52 kV, 1,250 amps, porcelain insulator bushings. This represents the historical application because porcelain is used since more than 1 century.
Okay.
In transformer applications. Porcelain insulators is perfect. It's a very nice insulation material. Very good as far as concern compression set mechanical properties. But porcelain has at least 2 problems. One is it has very low strength as far as concern a cantilever loader. So the bending strength is quite low. And on top of that, porcelain insulator is fragile. It can easily be cracked. It can easily be damaged, even if in operations.
Okay, that means if porcelain bushing is pre-damaged, let's say it's just a question of time when it becomes a failure.
Sure. Whenever there's a crack in the porcelain, we may have an electrical flashover. And an electrical flashover combined with the oil insulation from the transformer and the oxygen of the air, you get fire. You have to know from a statistical analysis did by Sigret, 1/3 of transformers fire are caused by failure of a bushing. When I say failure, I mean breaking of the bushing.
Okay, thank you, Tullio. Fully understand. That brings me to the point why polymeric bushings here, we see the SBC type from CEDASPE, has clear benefits compared to the porcelain ones here. Why polymeric bushings are preferable nowadays?
Very simple, very easy. We have replaced the weak point of the porcelain insulator bushing, introducing what we call polymeric bushings. Here, the insulation is granted by a combination of glass fiber tube, which gives much stronger strength as far as concern bending strength, bending forces. And over which we mold a silicon rubber shad form to recreate the same function of the shads in a porcelain insulator, to have the same grippage distance, to have the same or even superior electrical features.
Okay, absolutely. Thank you, Tullio. That means the big benefit for our customers out there is the bushing is definitely more robust compared to the porcelain one because of the silicone shield here.
It's unbreakable.
It's unbreakable.
It's unbreakable in one word.
Yeah.
And the big benefit carried to the end user, to a utility company, for example, anybody who has an asset of transformers to manage, is that they can reduce the risk of fire in their transformer. Reduction of risk of fire in their transformer fleet drives also cost saving in the bill to the insurance company, for example.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Just talking about lead times or delivery times, our customers out there may ask, how long is the lead time, the typical lead time of a porcelain bushing and of a polymeric one from Gedaspe? What would you say?
Gedaspe is not producing porcelain insulators. We source the porcelain insulators from worldwide manufactured porcelain insulator manufacturers.
Yeah.
And this technology is becoming quite old, difficult to automatize, still where the labor cost content is quite high. So here we have a quite long lead time due to the porcelain insulator sourcing. Through these SPC polymeric bushings, we have insourced inside Gedaspe all manufacturing processes, including also for the insulation parts. So we have proper equipment to mold the silicone rubber over the glass fiber tube.
Okay. Approximately lead time?
Approximately lead time, depending on the market waves and market demand. Anyway, here we are between 10 and 12 weeks today. Currently, here we are between 4 and 6 weeks.
All right, 4 and 6 weeks for the polymeric one. Thank you. Last but not least, Tullio, our customers may ask the question why we should use products from your portfolio, Reinhausen products. What are the benefits compared to others?
The benefit is that this design, the engineering of this SPC polymeric bushing has been done in a manner to get full interchangeability with the old, still not old, but porcelain insulator design.
Older design, let's say.
Exactly. So that is, anybody can remove the porcelain insulator and install tomorrow, in few hours, they can install a polymeric bushing without making any change in the transformer design.
So it can easily be retrofitted?
Oh, exactly. Retrofitting business is one of the most important things, because you can really unplug this one, plug the new one, connect, and that's it. That's fine.
Fully understand. Thank you very much, Tullio, for introducing us that interesting topic. So Bushings from Gedaspe, from Reinhausen group member. Thank you. So dear customers, dear participants, thank you very much for your attention. So we hope we could transfer some interesting topics around power transformer accessories to you today. Any kind of feedback is highly appreciated. In case of any question, please contact us, contact our experts, our known MR contact, or me directly. Thank you very much.